God. We have a plan! You know what I think of your plan? Let me show you what I think about your plan. Hey, look at this! Stop!
Puberty is a roller coaster full of physical changes, emotional ups and downs, and social challenges. And in this video, you're going to learn both advanced English vocabulary and what teenagers experience during this critical time. By the end, you'll not only improve your language skills, but also understand this life stage better. And don't leave without subscribing. I put a lot of effort into these videos, and your support means a lot to me. You want to talk about your teenagers, but you are out of vocabulary? You've come to the right place. Here's the first one. Have you ever noticed how your teenagers talks, or how you describe that voice of your teenagers? Our first expression exactly describes it. Voice cracking or voice breaking. It is exactly when the voice suddenly changes pitch, as it depends, especially in boys.
But I woke up every day. Oh shit.
His voice cracking during the presentation made everyone giggle. Have you ever noticed that your teenagers are changing day by day? And these changes are almost visible in every teenager. It is called growth spurt. It is a rapid increase in height and size during the adolescence. She had a growth spurt and outgrew her shoes in just a month.
Oh, little Ferdinand had a growth spurt. But he's still the same scared little coward he always was.
You got kids like me who haven't hit their growth spurt yet, mixed in with gorillas who have to shave twice a day.
To outgrow means to grow out of something, which means to grow too big for something. Are your teenagers suffering from the same thing that I did? And by that, I mean acne, breakouts. Frustrating, right? And for sure, you know what it means. Pimples and blemishes caused by hormonal changes. Acne breakouts are a common challenge for teens. You know, puberty isn't just about physical changes. Emotions play a big role too. Have you ever been so frustrated with your children and there's no way out of it? Here's how you can describe it. Mood swings, which means rapid changes in mood caused by hormonal shifts. Her mood swings made her unpredictable, but it's just par for the course.
Maybe it's like a mood swing, my hormones, I don't know.
She'd have violent mood swings ranging from mania, where she'd be elated,
And here's the bonus. Do you want to know what's the meaning of par for the course? Watch that video of mine. Par for the course means typical, standard, what you normally expect to happen. Speaking of emotion, let's look at another sign of growing up. Hormonal surges, which is an increased hormone levels causing changes in body and behavior. Hormonal surges can make teens feel more energetic or more tired. You never know.
Baines is sniffing around and your hormone surges are getting out of control.
Well, my libido is increasing at a rapid rate, and the surge of hormones causes dramatic physical and emotional changes.
The next phrase is exactly what I've been struggling with the whole time in my boys' teenagehood. Body odor, which is a strong smell caused by sweat and bacteria common during puberty.
Brother, what's that?
Talk about cleanliness. Body odor is a natural part of puberty, but deodorant can help.
You're a fat loser and you have body odor.
Let's talk about something more serious compared to body odor. Time to talk about confidence, awkwardness, and what it means. It means feeling clumsy or embarrassed due to rapid growth or change. His awkwardness around new people was normal for his age.
Really turned on by his sort of skinny awkwardness and his hot little mohawk.
You know what a major physical milestone for teenagers is? It is developing secondary sexual characteristics. Physical traits like facial hair, curves, or a deeper voice. Secondary sexual characteristics are key signs of maturity. Let's talk about a less obvious change teenagers face. social pressure, which is the feeling of needing to fit in or be accepted by peers. Last but not least, let's talk about how these changes affect self-esteem. Building confidence, which is learning to feel secure despite changes and challenges. Building confidence takes time, especially during puberty.
He's making friends and building confidence.
I know this is gonna sound a little awkward, but I'm gonna touch on something emotional. Now that you've learned these words and phrases, take a moment to reflect on how they connect to your own experiences or those of people you know. Share your thoughts in the comments. I love to hear from you. And if you found this lesson helpful, don't leave without subscribing. I pour my heart and soul into crafting these lessons for you. Together, we'll keep learning, growing, and improving. See you in my next